Assalamu guys, I am going to explain different type of computer. Computer are classified into three types: analog computer, digital computer, hybrid computer. Analog computer. Analog computer are used to process analog data. Analog data are in the form of continuously varying physical quantity like pressure, temperature, voltage, speed, and weight. Example of analog computer are speedometer of car, voltmeter, etc. Second, digital computer. Digital computers are most commonly used type of computers. They use the binary system zeros and one. Digital computers are used in home, educational institutes, offices, businesses, scientific fields, etc. Third, hybrid computer. Hybrid computer are the combination of analog and digital computer system. These computers combine analog and digital features of computer in a single machine. A hybrid computer uses analog to digital and digital to analog conversion. It may input or output either digital or analog data. Thanks.